Hey everybody, it's Jason and welcome back to Frank's Homestead. So this guy right here, this big old stump, big old cedar tree, they had cut down it about 2 years ago. And so, as you know, I've been working on the bank, trying to dig it out, give us more room up here. And so I started over here, and this guy's so big that my little Kioti tractor, it's just no match. So I got to chip away at it to make this happen, but it's gonna happen. So what I've been working on here is just undermining it. As you can see, I got a pretty good start. And I went up on top and started digging around there as well. The idea is I'm going to try and keep undermining as much as I can, and then go up to the top and dig there and use the gravity and leverage to make this bad boy come down. Yeah, here's my little Kioti 2610. Got the hood up because I was at the end of the day yesterday working. I did some preventative maintenance, just checked the coolant, blew out the air filter, normal stuff that you would do with the tractor. But she's doing the job. Everybody thinks you got to have gigantic equipment to do gigantic jobs like that, but it's all about how you approach it. You just chip away and it'll do the job. I'm not sponsored or anything by Kioti, but I tell you what, I really like it. So what you can see I've done here is, here's my stump. It's pretty at least 50% undermined, if not a little bit more. And so what I've done is, I'm going to go up on top now and try and dig behind it. But I've dug a little bit of a swale here, so that way when it does come down, it will fall into that hole, rather than if it was sloped like this, it would just kind of roll on top of it, and it might take out my carport. So that's what I'm trying to avoid, for sure. Well, right in the pit, just like I wanted it to be. Now, let's see if I can get it out. That's going to be the challenge. Well, that's how you get a big damn stump out with a little tiny tractor. So, hope you enjoyed watching it. Now I gotta clean this mess up before Lori gets home. Thanks for watching.